Did you know that according to a Verizon report, 70% of all global data leaks involved internal actors? In 80% of cases, the theft was financially motivated, while 28% of victims were small and medium businesses, who had their reputation and financial perspectives compromised forever. Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm going to show you how to protect your sensitive documents in no time, whether you're an individual, a small company, or an enterprise. Most people and companies do protect their data from external threats, such as hacker attacks or ransomware, but documents still leak into the web. Why? Because even the most reliable DLP system usually fails to withstand a 2020-style bring-your-own-device threat. Any disgruntled employee who has access to sensitive data is able to take a photo of a document with a smartphone or snapshot its picture right on the screen. In this case, your mergers and acquisitions, personal security, and business reputation are most likely to be affected. SMBs and individuals still exchange documents with third parties and employees using Google Drive, relying on inbuilt permissions to avoid leaks. It was a tiresome, time-consuming process, and about to cost you thousands of dollars to track down an internal source of a physical copy leak, until we kicked out LeaksID. LeaksID is an application dedicated to protecting your sensitive documents from physical internal leaks, such as taking pictures, making printouts, or snapshots. We've built LeaksID with our top-notch proprietary algorithm in mind. It allows the use of unique, totally invisible marks on the document and determining the exact leak source by interpreting them. LeaksID is able to find the perpetrator even if the leaked copy is damaged, shot from an angle, or contains only a paragraph. Can you imagine? All you have to do is 1. Sign up to LeaksID on LeaksID.com. 2. Upload your sensitive documents. And 3. Determine the exact leak source from thousands of users in no time. LeaksID supports all the most popular document formats, such as Doc, DocX, PDF, XLS, and even scans and images like JPEG and PNG. Upload documents in bulk and set up a file hierarchy. LeaksID will automatically add its unique markup when you create a new copy. The markup is totally invisible to the human eye. It won't interfere at all with your existing workflow, and your contractors may not even know you have added another layer of protection. Share documents securely by creating one-time Google Drive shortcuts, sharing permanent links via email, and assign permissions for each separate set of recipients. If you ever come across a leaked document, identify the source with LeaksID. You could conduct an investigation, upload the document sample, and help the system recognize it. Launch an auto investigation or tweak the investigation process manually and identify the perpetrator in just a few minutes. LeaksID is able to create billions of unique printing copies for your meeting or an event. There are no limitations. If you own an enterprise-scale business, you're able to integrate LeaksID seamlessly into your document workflow. Assign users and user groups with different types of roles and permissions, and track the activity of each workspace participant. There are more business options and integrations to come soon, so fasten your seatbelts and stay tuned. Click the download link, sign up, and try LeaksID Unlimited for absolutely free for a month. No credit card required. Learn more about LeaksID and its features on LeaksID.com. Stay vigilant. Beef up your sensitive document security.